Welcome friends. Today I am going to show you how to use the new Plasma LG AC remote. As you can see, the basic buttons in this remote, the power on off to every other functions are here. Now I am going to show you how to reduce the room temperature. By pressing the left button, you are able to reduce the AC temperature. Now as you can see here, the 27 degrees Celsius is set. Sorry, the display cannot be seen here, but you can see in the remote screen. And by using this button, you can control the airflow. Like here I am choosing to flow the air all over the room so that the room can be easily cool. By using that button, you are able to choose between the modes how to select this. And now you can see here it is the fan speed button. By using this button, you are able to select the fan mode. Now as you can see here, it is the breeze mode, means the fan continuously upgrade and degrade its speed so that it can provide you a gentle breeze like structure like the natural airflow. In that particular remote, you can see the neo plasma button is at the topmost point. It is the neo plasma button. The most important feature of this AC is it can control the airflow, the dust particle, the bacteria. It can control everything and it can filter out the pollutants here, so it can give you a very clear air, as you can see here. Now I am going to reduce the temperature. Now I am going to show you how to see the room temperature. It is actually a thermometer is inbuilt in that remote, so it can sense the room temperature, as you can see here. Now I am going to show you that is the wide mode operation. By using that, you can select the second functionality of that remote. Second function gives you uh, another important features of that remote, like timer on or off, and also power saving mode and everything by using that point particular. So it is the overall basic functions of that remote. You can see here everything. Now it is the jet cool function. Jet cool gives you a very much cool temperature in very less amount of time. As you can see, I am pressing jet cool button. Okay, you can see here. Now it is the jet cool mode. In jet cool mode, the room can be very cool less than in 5 minutes. So if you want to cool your room in a low time span, you can use that important features of that remote. And now I am going to show you the infrared sensor, the LED like structure at the topmost part of that remote. By using this, you are able to make the control of the remote. This is the infrared in normal eye we cannot see the LED blinking, but in mobile or in any camera you can see the blinking of it. Now I am going to show you the what kind of battery is used here. As you can see here, the small pencil battery are here for control of that remote and all that. So I cover all the important functions here. And another is the fan speed you can control, I have mentioned before. Now it is the breeze mode, and there are another modes also. By using this, you can control your room, and that is the jet cool I have previously mentioned. And there is also one auto clean function. By using that auto clean function, you are able to clean your AC automatically, no need for any services or there. Now I'm going to turn this AC off. As you can see, just off this AC. The AC is off, and all this. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.